Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you've subscribed. It took me quite some time to do this butterfly lock, but I can't explain how much I'm impressed by the results. What I did, I just used odd passion twists on these braids. I just did the other day. You can find the video on my channel. I find this technique economical and also friendly to the environment. I don't know what you think about that. I like it really. Just take a piece and unravel it to get some volume, like you can see in the video. You're also going to require a crochet pin to fix the hair. The shorter side is just to hold the braid, and then we are going to use the longer side to twist. You start by securing the base, and then we are going to continue twisting around as we move on. To form the loops, you wrap the hair around your thumb and then you secure just above the thumb, and then when you let go and you remove the thumb, you also secure below the loop. And then you continue like that. The intervals don't really matter, it's according to your liking. Yeah, just like that. You hold up your thumb, wrap the hair around, you secure above the thumb, then you let go. You can do it twice or once, then let go, then secure below the loop. So I'm going to show you several of them so you get to master the whole idea, and also you get to see how it goes up to the end. And guys, if you're enjoying the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like, comment. If you have any question, ask in the comment section and I'll answer you. So just keep adding more hair until you get to your desired length.